I'm calling on those 11 people who are visionaries. I'm calling on those 11 people who believe in the value of education. I'm calling on those 11 people who are ready to get to work and get into this exclusive program that is offered only this year. This is a collaboration between RLW Empowerment Services and ICW Bible College and Seminary, in which you can have the opportunity to earn your master's degree in Christian business. That's right. And while you're earning your degree, you will also be mentored in developing or growing your business. What an awesome deal. So you're not just earning a degree going through the education process, but you are also going to be directly mentored by me. The instructions will be by me, Dr. Robert Watts, and I will be working individually with each one of you in structuring and developing and creating strategies for your business or growing your business while you're earning your degree. And it's a fast-track program. It's designed from February to November of this year. And after that, before this year is out, you will have your Master's of Christian Business Education and have a growing business. You can't beat that. Now, only 11 slots are open because we have to make sure that it's manageable enough to provide the personalized training and care and coaching for each of the students. So there's only 11 slots. Starting soon, mid-February, get signed up. Don't delay. Affordable program. Go to the website link you see in this post. Thanks. God bless.